Today let us prepare coconut biscuits. The ingredients we require are coconut cut into small pieces, sugar powdered, and butter and maida. So let us mix all this together and then we have to shift it over to the microwave. Sugar powdered, coconut. The coconut is unlimited. As your requirement, we can add coconut. Or you can, suppose you don't require more of coconut, then you can reduce to 1 cup. Maida. Now the dough is ready and the consistency of the dough should be like a ball or chapati dough. Now we have dusted the tray and now let us prepare the biscuits. It is like this. It will start melting when you just keep it shift it over the microwave. You can also use the salt base and prepare the biscuits. Just give equal distance and then start preparing the biscuits. We need not want to give time for resting. As you finish the dough, you can shift it over to the tray. Now let us preheat the oven. We have to preheat for 3 minutes. Oven is preheated and the biscuits are ready to go into the oven for baking. Then another method of preparing biscuit without the oven, those who don't have microwave and also can use this method. That is, we are shifting the salt onto the stove and then we are greasing the aluminium vessel with maida and ghee. We have just dusted it and now we will shift the biscuits onto this. So the salt should be preheated just like the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. We have to place a stand over the salt so that it should not have a direct touch over the vessel. So now we will place the vessel over it and then close it with the lid. And before that we should be sure that the biscuit should be placed giving the space in between, or else everything will be together because it starts melting and then it will bake. So just take care of it. Now we'll close the lid and then cook it in the slow flame for half an hour. Our salt baked biscuits are ready and crispy it is, and microwave also it's ready. So let us see. Now it's ready and we will give just 5 minutes staying time so that it will become more crispy. It's ready. Now we will shift on piece by piece onto the plate. Finished product of both which we prepared in the microwave and we will prepared using the salt on the gas stove. Now I want to tell you what are the difference between this. When you prepare in the microwave, the down portions which I have inverted and I have showed you does not change the color and it does not become dark. But whereas when you prepare in the salt base, you see the down part is crispy and it's brownish and the top part looks like this. So I have inverted certain biscuits to show you the difference. Now this is the finished product using the coconut. We have simply whatever, no one will go wrong while preparing this biscuit because it doesn't have a unique measure or just the cake. When we prepare cake, the ratios are very important. Here we don't have any ratios. As you like, you can add on. The coconuts, you can less the coconut scrapings, you can add coconut cut pieces as you wish. You can add a tutti frutti and all whichever you want. You can add some biscuits onto it, that is good day biscuits, etc., and then you can prepare. Or a rusk, whether you have rusk at home, you can crush them and add to this maida. Instead of maida, you can add to that. So this is our finished product, and each and every one can prepare at home, though children age below 10 also can try this. Please do so and just give me the comments, post your comments. Thank you.